Hey everyone! Welcome to the Interacty tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first spin the wheel game. This digital mechanic replicates the classic fortune wheel game in a digital format. This is how it works. Users spin the digital wheel to receive rewards, discounts, or other benefits. In the business world, it boosts customer engagement by offering promotions, contests, and giveaways, all while collecting valuable customer data. In the realm of education, it gamifies lessons and assignments, making learning more interactive and engaging. So let's dive into our tutorial. To get started, visit interacty.me, where you can either log into your existing profile or sign up if you're new to Interacty. Once you're logged in, click on the Template Gallery button at the top of the screen. Look for the Spin the Wheel option and select it. You'll be presented with a page featuring different templates. You can either start from an empty template or choose one of the pre-made ones and customize it to your liking. Just click the Preview button to take a look at the template and pick the one that suits you best. Okay, good. I'm going to choose a simple one to show you the entire process from scratch. Let's click the Use this template button. Great. Now, you're in the editor. Let's start by clicking on the wheel to adjust the initial settings. On the right side of your screen, you can choose the color of your wheel, the color scheme, and the font. I'll go with a deep blue color. Maintain a monochromatic color scheme, and use a font that I like. Good. Next, settings can be crucial for businesses. You can embed a lead form in your project by checking the respective box, which will require users to fill it out to get their discount. Equally important are the call to action button and redirect options, allowing you to guide users to your website. Let's add a lead form to our project and customize it. Excellent, we're good to go. Now, it's time to edit the sections of our wheel. Click Edit to begin. Let's explore the settings available here. The first one is number of sectors, where you can choose from 2 to 12 sectors for your wheel. Select the number that works best for you. Next, you can toggle between text and images as the sector type. Text is ideal for offering discounts or listing student names in an educational context, while images are great for showcasing products or student photos. I'll choose text for our wheel. You can also set the center image, which can be your logo, a call to action, or any image relevant to your topic. To upload an image, simply click Change and select your preferred image. I've prepared a small image for our tutorial, so let's use that. Click Place Image. All good. The next setting is Animation Time, which determines how long the wheel will spin before stopping. By default, it's set to 10 seconds, which I think is perfect, but you can adjust it if needed. The last setting is Show Cover, which is optional and adds a hello screen before your fortune wheel. If you need to share some information before the wheel, you can activate this option and customize the text accordingly. Now we're done here, and it's time to set the text on our sections. Click Next. Here, you'll see the list of your sectors. We have 12 in our case. You can switch between them and set each one. Let's start with the first sector and add some text, like 20% off. This could be one of the rewards users might get from the spin. Then, set the text that will appear after the spin stops on this sector. Let's write our text. You can also include an image to accompany the text, like your brand logo or a product picture. You can even click More Options to add a call to action button for redirecting users to another resource after landing on a specific sector. That's it. The first section is ready. Switch to the second one and edit it according to your needs. Repeat this process for all sectors to fill your wheel. When you're finished, click Save. If you want, you can also change the background color or add an image to give your project a unique visual appeal. Don't overlook this setting if you want to make the most of your project's aesthetics. Excellent. Let's make our project look even more attractive by adding a header image. Click Preview to evaluate the current state of your project. Try your fortune wheel and check how it looks on different devices. If you spot any errors or decide to make adjustments, you can return to the editor by selecting the respective menu item. Now, give your project a title. Let's name ours Fortune Wheel. After that, click the Publish button. Your project is now ready. You can share it with your audience by sending a link or embedding it on your website. Let's take a look at our project by clicking View Project. As you can see, our project is working perfectly. Keep in mind that you can always return to edit your template by clicking the Edit button in the My Projects tab. You can also check the statistics by clicking the respective button. Good luck and happy spinning!